Hey guys, quick video for you on how you can connect your HP monitor to MacBook Air. It's super simple. So first, the way how you can do it is through the adapter. What you need to have is this. You're gonna have connect the end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port. Now there can be a thing that if you can connect with MacBook Air, it doesn't have the HDMI, and your HP monitor got the HDMI, then you're gonna need to use adapter like this. So you're gonna have the HDMI, let's say Thunderbolt adapter, and then you're just gonna connect it to the adapter, and then you're going to connect it to your MacBook Air, right? So this is the first way how you can do it. The second thing what you can try to do is have a docking station. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna buy a docking station, you would insert it to your MacBook Air, like this, and then you would put in the HDMI into the docking station, but you want to actually have the docking station that actually has the HDMI port there. If your docking station is not going to have the HDMI there, then you need to go get even the adapter, and the same applies for whatever. So if you have the VGA HP laptop, so you're going to VGA Thunderbolt adapter, and this is something that you need to buy too. So if you have the VGA monitor, the ending like the blue one, then you need to use also the adapter again. So that's how it works.